So here we have a Canon camera, and the problem is the lens is stuck out. Kind of turns on, makes some sounds, shows the symbol there, but the went in a bit. And then it says lens error, please restart. So I'm not too sure.
But it's for low.
Okay, just moving a little bit.
And do the
Some screws here.
oh, there's some right there.
Well, the camera doesn't work the way it is, so we have to try to figure out.
What is? Squish the button.
Okay, let me get a flat head screwdriver here.
And I need to break it. Oh, would not work. The battery section.
We have to take out this string. Okay, so alright, we rip that off. Now with that off, we have a side screw here. Hmm.
And I am spinning it. You weren't even spinning it. What?
So I was able to take off the front casing here because there seems to be some wires that go back down in here. That go to the main rotor somehow. So yeah, it goes to this little thingy here. So we'll disconnect that. And then this little connector here. We'll disconnect that. And then we can fold these out and hopefully
You can open it.
hopefully this thing we can
Open it.
open. It is kind of coming.
Woo!
Okay. So
So weird.
it is weird.
It's weird. Like it's so long. It's so long.
So inside it has this kind of gear thing. This gear mechanism should be able to rotate. So I disconnected the screws in here. There's this little motor, and that was enough to make it so the lens could go back in, because there's these little gears. So if I move that over, I can now push in. Oh boy. The problem with working on stuff like this, it's just so complex.
So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times. And this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And Over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.